reformer inlet is holding steady at 510. Let's optimize the reactor 2 temp slightly.
Adjusting the set point now.
The automated blend sequence initiates. First, valve B101 opens, stabilizing at 285 cubic.
Batch 0847, all 23 parameters confirmed within specification. RON 102.7, MON 91.
Tank FP01 at target volume 850,000 liters. Shut down TP02 on my mark. Mark.
Interior clean, no contamination. Approved for use.
Sample bottle number 1 is filled and sealed? Yeah. Verified. Please pass the custody form. Right here. Time-stamped at 15:38. Check the crimp on the referee sample, serial number RS248470.
Verified.
FIA seal on bottle 4 is intact. Confirmed.
Bay 1 ready. Isotank hashtag IT2847 connected and earthed. Commence loading.
From crude oil received at our terminal to 850,000 liters of certified, competition-grade racing fuel.
Unit 7 confirms hot work permit 220.847 to Area 18 clear. FC. Control acknowledges FD 0847A test. Confirmed pass.
Unit ready, pads connected, battery okay?
Isolation plan confirmed. Gas test is at 0% LEL and 2 fire watchers are in position.
Confirmed. We are ready to sign. AKP-01 75 kilowatt CB247. AKP-01 isolated lock ES247, 0 energy confirmed.
As you can see here, assembly point A3 is your primary muster location. Okay, gas release detected. Sound the alarm and move upwind now.
Let's confirm your certifications.
Driver name, ADR Class 3 certified. Valid, cleared for loading.
Excellent. Now, if you could just the 12 points on the safety checklist here and sign at the bottom.
ISO container IT2847. Racing fuel RF2008.
Confirmed gross weight, 38,420 kilograms. Stamped 1645. Here is your authorization card.
Thank you, officer.
Checkpoint 1 to control. Container IT2847 is authorized. Seal integrity confirmed. You may clear the gate.
IT2847 received, circuit paddock storage, seals intact, nitrogen connected, temp 21C.
Base, this is technical delegate. Fuel sample analysis complete. All metrics within tolerance. The sample is approved.
Bladder full, 200 liters, 146.2 kilograms. Fuel ready.
Pit wall, fuel at 22.0 degrees Celsius, ready for car delivery on your call.
Copy. Stand by for delivery order, 25 minutes to race start.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fuel complete.
Car fuel sealed. Park for May rules apply. The tension builds on the grid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red lights. And they're away. Scan complete. Match score is 99.7%. Excellent, right within tolerance. Following comprehensive fuel analysis, the FIA confirms all samples fully compliant. Racing fuel produced by the fuel supplier.
What you've witnessed is the complete story of high-performance racing fuel, from crude oil to the racetrack, engineered for maximum performance and total compliance.
Or sun. The hydrocracking reactor's catalyst system is the heart of the conversion process. It uses a dual-function catalyst.
Row 7 at 918 degrees Celsius, approaching monitoring threshold. Recommend reducing row 7 burner duty by 2%.
Row 7 burners reduced, monitoring temperature trend.
02-1400. Pipe rack C pleat, all clear.
FIDIX. Out of specification batches, 0. Lost time injury frequency rate, 0. SO2 emissions, 72% below
Every liter of racing fuel we produce starts right here, in these columns.
The precision of what happens inside these vessels determines...
No batch of racing fuel leaves this facility without passing 23 individual quality tests. How's the new batch looking?
Batch 0848, RON preliminary 103.1.
Outstanding work.
Every number on that board represents a promise kept to the racing teams, to the drivers, to the sport.
What the racing world sees is a car crossing the finish line. What we know is that our work made that crossing possible. Thank you, all of you.
From crude oil to the racetrack, that's the journey we've taken you through today. Every step of this process, from the distillation columns behind me